Did you know that traditional data lakes have a major hidden problem? When multiple users write data at the same time, it can result in corrupted files, failed jobs, and completely unreliable data. This is exactly the problem that Delta Lake was built to solve. Delta Lake is a powerful open-source storage layer built on top of Azure Databricks. It brings ACID transactions, data versioning, and unified batch and streaming processing to your existing data lake on Azure. Let's start with ACID transactions. ACID stands for Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. With Delta Lake, every write operation is treated like a database transaction. Either the entire write succeeds or nothing changes at all. This means no more partial writes, no more corrupt data, and no more failed pipelines that are impossible to debug. Next, data reliability. Delta Lake enforces schema on write. This means it checks the structure of your data before writing it. If the incoming data does not match the expected schema, Delta Lake automatically rejects it. This prevents bad data from entering your pipeline and ensures data quality at all times. Delta Lake also supports Schema Evolution. If your data structure changes over time, you can update the schema safely without breaking existing jobs or losing historical data. One of the most powerful features of Delta Lake is time travel. Every change made to a Delta table is recorded in a transaction log. This means you can query older versions of your data at any point in time. If someone accidentally deletes important data, you can instantly roll back to a previous version. It is like having a version control system built directly into your data platform. Delta Lake also unifies batch and streaming workloads. Whether you are processing historical data in batch mode or handling live data streams in real time, Delta Lake handles both in one consistent framework. This eliminates the need to maintain separate systems for batch and streaming. In simple terms, Delta Lake transforms a basic data lake into a reliable, high-performance, enterprise-grade data platform. It adds the reliability of a database to the scalability of a cloud data lake. Companies across finance, healthcare, and retail are using Delta Lake today to power their data platforms at massive scale. If you are building a modern data engineering pipeline on Azure, Delta Lake is not optional, it is essential. Subscribe for more Azure Databricks and data engineering content.